Maybe eventually.
It's not an arena.
Yeah, I was just, I got a lot of good pictures of the tornado already.
Oh, you did?
Oh yeah. Yeah, it was wicked. It was very strong for a minute.
Yeah, you think it's like gonna come over here?
It's gonna pass just right here, and it's not gonna touch here. It's gonna pass right in front of, there it is right there. There it is right there, swirling right there. Yep, see that big? See it swirling right here. Here it comes, here it comes.
I see it.
Here it comes.